Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've already prepared the drive, so start scanning now. First, make sure the disk is connected and not being written to. That prevents overwrites. Open Icare, activate the license if you have one, then pick the drive you want to scan. Choose a basic quick scan for recently deleted files, or start a deep scan if data loss is older or the partition is damaged. Once done selecting options, hit scan and let the software enumerate files. Watch progress and keep the connection stable. Now you refine recovery. If Quick Scan finds what you need, preview files and mark them for recovery. If not, switch to Deep Scan to search raw sectors and lost partitions. Apply file type filters to speed results, images, documents, archives, then use the preview pane to verify content before exporting. You can pause or save the scan session to resume later if it's lengthy. Also, make sure you do not recover files back to the damaged source. Choose a different drive to avoid overwriting. Finish by exporting your selected files to a separate, healthy drive or external SSD, never the original source. After recovery, open several key files to verify integrity. For partially corrupted documents or images, use specialized repair tools or try alternate preview formats. Once verified, immediately create backups to avoid repeat recovery. If something goes wrong, scans freeze or read errors occur, stop further writes. Create a full disk image with a tool like DD or imaging mode in Icare.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.